This is our counter depth refrigerator that we have here. It's a Frigidaire Gallery. Had it for many years. It's okay. I wish we had enough space to have a bigger refrigerator, but we don't. So I wasn't gonna do this today, but the refrigerator was a mess. Try to get it reorganized. There is a container here which started this whole cleaning process because somebody left a McDonald's syrup unopened, tipped over inside of it. I will post a picture of how that started. It's clean right over here now. I have a bunch of stuff out. So yeah, clean out the refrigerator.
Now this is the progress of cleaning out the refrigerator. Apparently my husband got motivated to clean the refrigerator. He took a bunch of stuff out. All that belongs in there. So this is what we have so far. Apparently every time we do some cleaning and organization, we will have an assistant there to help us out. It's pretty cute, pretty funny.
So this is the final outcome of the refrigerator. Every shelf was taken out, every drawer, everything was cleaned, everything was somewhat reorganized. Not perfect. There's still some pretty full drawers, but that's the way it goes. This just started to clean up syrup that somebody spilled in the refrigerator. No names will be named, although our kids aren't tall enough to get there, so that might give you an idea who it was.